Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Windows Update error 0x80070246 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing or facing Windows Update error 0x80070246 on your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. You can check your internet speed by opening any browser. For example, I will just open Chrome browser. Here you need to type speed test. Then click on run speed test. You have to check this internet speed, download and upload speed is working properly or not. If it is working properly, then now we'll move to the second step. Click on start menu. Click on this search, then type your troubleshoot. Click on the troubleshoot setting. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you will find Windows Update. You have to just click on run and it will check if there is any issue with your Windows Update settings. Then it will search and fixes the issue automatically. After doing this, just move to the next step, that is you have to open the command prompt. Click on search menu, then type here cmd, right click on this command prompt, then click on run as administrator. Here you need to copy all this command and paste it in cmd. This command I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there. Right click, copy, open the command prompt, right click on this top of the command prompt window, click on edit, then click on paste. After that all command will be pasted here. Then close this window and restart your PC. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Windows Update error code 0x80070246 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.